Hi, Mom. It's Mark. Today is day 4. Um, I'm in the same spot over the same river. Had a great night. Not a lot for dinner last night. The market was closed. My favorite bar restaurant closes after lunch now. So kind of just had a little snack stuff in my room and got up early and went down and got a decent breakfast. So that worked out okay. Today is 14 miles to Pamplona. Um, really pretty. I follow, where is it? There it is. This river right there. I follow it for quite a ways. Once we get down to it, it's a really pretty walk down through the river valley. I'm looking forward to this. This is always a pretty good walk. I've got a lunch stop about halfway. I will stop and I'll say hi. See you later. Hi, Mom. It's Mark. I'm about halfway. Kind of stopped in a little place that we get some water from. It's a neat little shelter, kind of up in the mountains. It is so humid. It's supposed to start raining here pretty soon, and I am just dripping. Probably see my hat is literally dripping water. It's so nasty and wet. But I'm hoping to make it to Pamplona before 3. It's supposed to start raining then. This isn't my lunch spot. It's in about 2 more kilometers, so I'll stop there and get something to eat and drink. Having fun. Met some great people. It's been drizzling a little bit, so I haven't been taking pictures because it messes with my camera. So sorry about that. Uh, I'll try to do better since things have lightened up a little bit, and we'll see you when we get done. Bye.
I'm here with my friends. Look at all my friends. I love you. Love you, Mom. We love you too.